In this video, you'll learn how to create a lawyer law firm website using WordPress and Elementor. This process involves several steps, from setting up your site to customizing it to meet your needs. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. Once you are on the home page, look for the option labeled Sites in the main menu. Click on this option to access the site management area. This is where you will start the process of creating your new website. Next, locate the button that says Create with AI. This is typically found prominently on the site management page. After clicking this button, you will be redirected to a new screen where the AI will start laying the foundations for your website. This initial setup may take a few moments, so be patient as the system prepares your site. Once the AI has finished laying the groundwork, you will see a message indicating that the AI is ready to assist you in creating a unique website. At this point, it is essential to consider the overall vision for your law firm website. Think about the specific features and content you want to include. After this, type in Create a lawyer law firm website in the provided text field. This action signals the AI to tailor the website specifically for your legal practice. Make sure to double check your input for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. Then click on the Enter button to confirm This will prompt the AI to generate suggestions based on your request. Upon doing so, you will receive a message confirming that WordPress.com can indeed create a lawyer law firm website, which indicates that you are on the right track. Following this, type in the choice provided above. This option will lead you to further customization possibilities for your website. After entering your selection, click on Enter once more to proceed. You will then encounter a prompt asking you what you would like your website to be called. This title is crucial as it appears in the browser tab and represents your law firm to visitors. Take a moment to think about a name that reflects your practice's identity. Next, type in the name of your site in the designated field. After you have entered the name, click on Enter to confirm your choice. This will move you forward in the setup process. You will now be asked to provide a short tagline or description for your website. This tagline should summarize what you offer to potential clients. It is an important element for search engine optimization, so choose your words carefully. Type in your chosen tagline in the appropriate field. Once this is done, click on Enter to save your input. This action helps define your site's purpose and improves its visibility in search results. Continue by clicking on the Create My Site button. This signifies that you are ready to finalize the setup of your law firm website. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this step, as a slow connection may prolong the process. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your site is being created. You may see a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This is a normal part of the process, and it may take a little time depending on your internet speed. As the system generates your site, keep in mind that this might take a while. The duration will depend on various factors, including server load and your connection speed. If the process seems to be taking longer than expected, ensure that your internet is functioning correctly. Once the site generation is complete, you will receive a notification that your website is ready. At this point, you can start customizing your site further to suit your law firm's needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.